Once we have our file imported from Rhino into Revit, we're going to go ahead and create what's called a Toposolid so that we have, rather than just linked geometry, we have actual geometry that exists in Revit that we can manipulate. So once you have your file linked in for the site, we're going to go to Massing and Site under Toposolid, and we are going to use Create from Import. It gives us two options here under the Modify tab. We are going to create this from a CAD file, and it doesn't actually prompt you to do anything. But then we're going to go ahead and select the imported site. This works for either contours or for the 3DM file, so either as an AutoCAD DWG or as a 3DM file. And we're going to make sure we're only selecting the contours. So it's asking what points we want to use to survey the site. So we're going to turn off everything, including the surface. The surface will work as well, but we're just going to use the contours and hit OK. And then you can see it creates this Toposolid. Now, Toposolids are a family themselves, and they have a thickness, and that's why you're seeing this 100-foot sort of thickness here. So now we have our Toposolid, and it is actually underlaid of our site. So if you're seeing these like weird sort of overwritten lines, what you can do is you can go to Manage Links, and you can go ahead and turn off the site. If you're going to need the site in the future, you'll go to Manage Links, turn back on the site by reloading it, and you can manage specific parts of the import through the imported categories, like just turning on the extents and the property line. So now in this view, we have a Toposolid that we created from an import, and we still have the extents from the imported site file, which you can see here.